Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Behance to your website. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, head over to Behance and look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there, so go ahead and click on it. This will give you access to your account settings and project management options. Once you click on your profile icon, make sure you're on the Work tab at the top of the page. This is where all your projects are stored and managed, so it's important to be in the right section before proceeding. If you're not already on Work, just click on it to switch over. Now, locate the project you want to embed on your website. You'll notice a small arrow pointing downward next to the project. Click on that arrow, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Share. This opens up the sharing options for your specific project, which is exactly what we need to get the embed code. After clicking Share, you'll see a panel appear on the right side of your screen. In this panel, click on the Share button again. This takes you to the detailed sharing settings where you can control how and where your project appears across different platforms. Next, look for the option that says Copy Embed Code and click on it. This is the key step because it gives you the HTML code needed to display your Behance project directly on your website. Once you click it, a code snippet will appear ready for you to copy. Go ahead and click the Copy button to copy the embed code to your clipboard. Now you have everything you need from the Behance side and you're ready to move over to your website. For this example, I'm using Google Sites, but the process is similar for most website builders. On the right side of your Google Sites editor, you'll see an option called Embed. Click on it to open the embedding options. From there, click on Embed Code. A text field will pop up where you can paste the code you just copied from Behance. Go ahead and paste the embedded code into that field. This tells your website exactly what content to display and how to format it. Once you've pasted the code, click Next. Your website will process the code and prepare to insert the Behance project into your page. After that, click Insert, and the project will be embedded directly onto your site. And that's it. You've successfully added your Behance project to your website, making it easy for visitors to view your work without leaving your page. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.